How we doing, guys? Logan from Condensation Spray Foam here. I forgot to take a video first thing on the job site here, but as you can see, we're spraying a pole barn roof slopes with 1.5 inches of foam. I figured I'd start this video off with the videos of me spraying, and I'll just do a voiceover. I go into more depth later on in the movie or in the video here, and basically what we're doing is we're spraying the roof slopes to prevent condensation, and all you really need is 1.5 to 2 inches of close cell foam to take care of any condensation issues that you would have. This guy here was having all sorts of condensation happening on his roof deck, dripping down onto his fiberglass below, which I'll go into more depth like I said before. So here's the first two videos of me spraying the job. We're spraying Demolec Heatlock HFO. It's a winter blend foam, so it's a little harder to get dialed in this time of year when it was, I think today was, or this day it was 65 degrees outside, and winter foam likes to be sprayed around 20 to 40 degrees. You can get it laying in real nice. You can kind of tell if you've sprayed foam before. You can tell I'm spraying a little bit hot, but there's not much I can do about it. But I'll go into more detail about what the project was and what we did and how we fixed this condensation issue after these two videos of me spraying foam. Hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you in a couple of seconds. How we doing, guys? Coming up into this attic space that we just got done spraying. Forgot to do the initial walkthrough video, but flip you around here. Here we got 1.5 inches of closed cell foam there's a knee wall underneath all that insulation there, all the way up to the peak, all the way across. The problem this guy was having was all this metal up here was condensating because his insulation was down here. All that bunch of warm, moist air coming through that fiberglass, going up, touching this roof slope here, sweating, dripping all over his insulation, and it was causing all sorts of staining on his sheetrock down below. He's got all kinds of mold issues in this fiberglass. This fiberglass is all coming out. We got a guy that does demo work for us. Actually, he's on his own now. He's got his own company, so we just call him when we need it done, and he does it on his own. But yeah, so like I said, all this insulation is coming out. We'll probably replace it with new. We might be blowing it in after it's pulled out. It's up to the customer how he wants to do it, if he wants to replace it with new bats. Because now that we solve the condensation issue, he can put new insulation on the floor to get up to our value, because 1.5 inches of foam in the winter around here isn't going to quite do the job. It'd probably be better than this fiberglass it's in the floor right now, but he's going to want to meet code or get close to it just to make himself feel better. So flip it back around. But yeah, so that's the final product. Wrapping up the hose now and go back to the shop. I think it's about 3:30 right now. It took a little while. We had some pump issues, but got those cleared up first thing. But yeah, so that's the end of that. I hope you enjoy the video. I'll start the video off with the me spraying first, and then end it with this. So hope you enjoy the video. If you could, like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next video.